Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to the new episode of Explore China with Asim and ईद मुबारक नाजरीन। अभी हम लोग निकलने लगे हैं ईद उल अज़हा की प्रेयर के लिए, तो थोड़ी देर के बाद मिलते हैं मस्जिद में। जी तो नाजरीन, ईद की नमाज़ पढ़कर हम लोग वापस आ चुके हैं और अब हमारा प्लान है कोई नाश्ता वाश्ता करने का। देखते हैं यहाँ पर कोई अच्छा स्पॉट ढूंढते हैं और जहाँ से हमें कुछ खाने को मिल जाए, क्योंकि ये सुबह का टाइम है। सुबह के टाइम पर अक्सर जो चाइनीज़ हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा खाना नहीं खाते, ये छोटी छोटी ब्रेड्स को यूज़ करते हैं या फिर कोई जूस वगैरह टी वगैरह ले लेते हैं। तो हम भी अब देखते हैं यहाँ पर कोई चीज़ मिलती है तो आपको भी दिखाते हैं। लेट्स explore. We are in front of Casimir, and Casimir is very famous bakery in the China, and their products are very good, really, and they are famous for the sweets, cakes, breads. So in the morning, I think we have to choose these breads only or something. Let's see inside. Viewers, Eid Day is very special day, and on this day to visit the shopping plaza to some clothing stores is always be very amazing. So we are also outside to make our day. Behind me is the H&M, so we will visit the H&M and see is there something suitable for us or not, and also some other things. Okay, wherever we will go, we will share with you. Viewers, we are at the H&M, and today I am looking around me. There are many cheap products, and I am making my mind to buy something. Yeah, this is the purple shirt and very cheap, only 40 RMB. Wow, great. Peach color. Let's see something. Maybe something I will like and I must buy. NASA t-shirt. How is it look? Polo. The price of Polo is 70 today. Wow. Viewers, this brand has very good clothes, and if you come to the China, you must visit this brand. You can find the reasonable price clothes from this H&M brand. Oh wow. By looking at these clothes, it memorized me the blue ocean and the brown sand of the Hawaii. What about this? Very beautiful looking. It's the polo fabric. 谢谢。
跟我们的外甥照一个，我第一次去巴基斯坦，巴基斯坦跟我们中国最好，我们永远巴基斯坦万岁。
Okay. You come here.
Thank you very much.
Let's go. Let's see what they have. But I think Zara has mostly the formal clothes. Sorry, not formal, casual clothes. Yes. Mostly they have the casual clothes. Knicker. Peach color shirt, very fruity color. Okay, let's see. I have listened that Zara has very good perfume. Let's try the perfume. Wow, very good. What a nice ocean combination. Full ocean is here. नाजरीन, चाइना में ईद का दिन जो है वो हम लोग ऐसे ही गुजारते हैं, बस थोड़ी थोड़ी छोटी छोटी एक्टिविटीज़ कर ली। अब हम लोग लखीन में खड़े हैं और ये मैंने एक प्लेन टी ऑर्डर की है। इस टी के हवाले से मैं आपको ये बता दूं कि ये जो है कोल्ड टी है, तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट भी मैंने चाइना में ही आके देखा, तो बड़ी इंजॉयबल है। ट्राई करते हैं। दिस टेस्ट इज़ very different taste from the other tea. Lakhin is a brand and they have their own formula. Means you cannot compare this tea with any other tea. They have the different tea, different taste, different flavors, and many kinds of the tea and coffee are available here. Viewers, you can see the Lakhin kitchen is very neat and clean and very hygienic. Means they make the tea and coffee in the hygienic way, with a lot of machines, with a lot of products, many flavors. As you can see, these are the different flavors of coffee. This is the milk tea with sugar bubbles, and this concept of the Chinese bubble milk tea is really amazing. नाजरीन, अब हम लोग पहुंच चुके हैं, ये रिवर साइड है और यहाँ पर ये जॉगिंग ट्रैक बना हुआ है। इसके 3 पार्ट्स हैं। एक साइड पर लोग साइकिलिंग और बाइकिंग कर रहे हैं, कुछ जो है वो जॉगिंग कर रहे हैं, कुछ रनिंग कर रहे हैं। 3 ट्रैक होते हैं इसके ऊपर। और एक साइड के ऊपर मेरे वो लेक है, एक साइड पर रिवर है और दरमियान में वो ठंडी ठंडी हवाएं चल रही हैं। एंजॉय हो रहा है। आपको हम लोग दिखाते हैं वीडियो के अंदर, रिवर साइड भी और जॉगिंग ट्रैक भी। Viewers, this is the night view and you can see I am at the corner of the lake. Today was the Eid day and I spent my whole day by doing various activities. Sometimes take the tea, sometimes take the food, even go to the shopping mall, have some shopping and window shopping also. So a few moments before, some birds fly back to their home, and after a few moments this bird will also fly back to his home, and then I will cook there and I will also share with you. You can see behind me is so beautiful scenic area. I am at the lake view, some hearts, some homes, lighting, very beautiful view is this. Viewers, we are ready to cook the white handi. So for this there are this is very simple recipe. There are a few ingredients I will show you. This one is the chopped garlic, ginger as well as the green chili. This one is the butter. Here is the boiled and cut into the cube chicken. This one is the salt. Here is the white pepper. This is the black pepper and 1 packet of milk. Turned on my stove, pause it, and now we will take the butter first. Okay, let it melt. At 180 degree I am cooking it. Our chopped ginger, garlic and green chili. It is giving very good fragrance, butter fragrance with the ginger garlic. So let it cook for a few moments. Viewers, our ginger garlic is a little fried. Now we will add the boiled and the cubed, cut into the cube chicken. And now fry it at low flame till the chicken change a little color. Beside it I keep my rice for the boiling. So you can see here, viewers, our chicken is almost ready. You see it has changed the little color Now I will add the spices in it. First, I have turned off the stove for a few minutes to add the spices. First, I am adding the white pepper, black pepper, white pepper, and a little salt. Salt according to your taste. Wait for 1 minute so that all the spices should be uniformed to full chicken. Viewers, now we will add the milk in it. Slowly. One packet of milk for the half kg of chicken is enough. And now we will cook it at low flame. Viewers, you see the gravy is going to be thick, and we will cook it until it leave the little butter, means little oily. We will cook it till that time, and our white chicken will be ready. The chicken is near to ready now. It is giving already the oil, you can see from here. So just for a moment we just cook it, then it will be ready to serve. Viewers, you can see our chicken is ready. White handi is ready to serve. Go to the plate. Viewers, my rice are also ready. You can see, subhanallah, you see my white rice, and every grain is separated. Viewers, our delicious white handi is ready. You can see, even in the video it is looking so delicious, but I know what is the taste of it, so it's really amazing. It has the amazing taste. Must make it at your home and enjoy my recipe. Viewers, it is the end of the day. You have seen we enjoyed too much today. This was my eat day, and now it's the night time. I'm here to buy some fruit and then I will sleep. So if you like our video, then please like it, share it and subscribe our channel. This is very important, and wait for the next episode. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.